See me? So bad at that. I'm so happy. So today, you're probably wondering why the hell is she wearing a hat? You know why I'm wearing a hat? Because fuck it. That's why. Fuck it. I'm gonna wear a hat. What is that? Go to the gym because I want to start going to the gym earlier in the morning. You know, gives you the rest of the day to do whatever the hell you want.
और नोवा स्कोशिया की लॉ सोसाइटीज द्वारा ट्रिनिटी के स्टूडेंट्स को अक्रेडिट नहीं किया गया है, जिसमें अपील
At the gym now, guys. The thing about gymming early is that there are literally barely any cars here. That means it's gonna be pretty empty inside. So I'm pretty stoked about that. Just finished, you guys. That was a really good workout. I did 10 minutes of cardio before that. Watching vlogs or watching YouTube videos really helps me. Like, I end up staying on longer than I expected. And I also have a leg workout in this video. It's only 30 minutes. Really, really effective 30-minute booty workout. Definitely watch it. It'll be near the end of this workout. And I'll also show you what I eat and stuff. You already know if you're watching my vlogs. There's always good food in it. And there's always good workouts. So if you haven't already, subscribe! Get on the road here. Choo-choo! So I just picked up some stuff. I was actually supposed to be home like an hour ago, but I really seriously can't realize when my workout gets longer than it's supposed to be. Like, it's supposed to be for like an hour today, but I have no clue where the time went. Because when you actually start like having fun with what you're doing and it's not so systematic. Yeah, so I just got some light cream cheese. That is pretty much the only spreadable thing that I buy because I make my own peanut butter. I make my own almond butter. So the way you actually make peanut butter is you toast them in the oven, any kind of nut you want, and then you just blend it. Like, you blend it in a food processor and it becomes like butter. And it's so easy. You guys don't need to buy that stuff. What's up, you guys? My sister's trying on a face mask. Oh my god! I just got done filming of my fitness morning routine, or I might name it like my 2016 fitness morning routine. I'm really hungry now. I'm gonna get something to eat. My mom actually made piña and they're so good. They're literally like my favorite Indian thing. Well, not my favorite, one of my favorites. If you don't know what that is, it's pretty much like flaxseed and a bunch of nuts, raisins, and some type of sugar. We use obviously natural sugars. Other things that are Indian that I like, parathe, freaking. I don't like butter chicken and all that stuff. I know that's really weird, but I just don't like it. I like chaat. Let's say some type of curry chicken. Kebab. Kebabs are good. I think kebabs not Indian though. It's Pakistani. So I have no idea what I'm gonna make. I was thinking of fish tacos again. If you follow me on Snapchat, you saw them yesterday. I'm just gonna make fish tacos again. Yeah, and I'm eating a snack while making lunch. I'm too hungry, okay? Food fest. So I just heated up some taco shells, some pico de gallo. I just used what I had. Just some diced tomatoes, diced onion, a little bit of cilantro, some chipotle lime spice, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Here I just have a little bit of shredded salmon, which I like to make with soy sauce, Dijon, mustard, Worcestershire sauce. Here I have some of yesterday's guac. It has browned a little bit, but you know avocados, they always do that. Greens here, and a little bit of sriracha. I love sriracha. And my sister wanted a burger. It's actually a vegan patty. It's by Garden Protein again. So I put some greens, some grilled onions, some banana peppers, a bit of mayo. I'm just gonna assemble these tacos and we're gonna eat up. Look at that fog outside, you guys. Thumbs up if you remember this song. So we're in Forever 21 now. Do it. This girl had to return some stuff. I had to get a couple more shots for my video, and honestly it's so dark outside. It's the only place. The mall, Richmond Center, again, that had lighting, so. Lee, what the fuck are you looking at? I'm so excited to buy these. They're so pretty. Mood. I need this so bad, but it's 95 and I don't have it right now. So we just split up a coffee in two because literally filled up 2 cups and this was just like a small. We're gonna go to the gym after this.
I like this one. Should I put this on Instagram?
I like it too, but there's so much gum in the bag. Dude, what are we gonna work out today?
Legs.
I'm wearing my entire gym outfit underneath this so you can imagine how hot I am. Now we're at the gym. The gym. just got home and now I'm cooking up some food. Reheating my dad's mutton. It looks super good. Here, just have some rice heating up. I should eat some veggies, but you know what? I'm gonna make some veggies. I'll make some veggies. You just gotta do it, man. You just gotta wrap your head around it. Just make a decision. Hey, I need to have at least 1 to 2 servings. That's like my minimum 1 to 2 servings of vegetables a day. I should probably have more than that because I barely eat vegetables, so I'm gonna try. Oh shit, my rice is sticking. Okay. So I found some carrots and cucumbers, and I just put some of this blood orange infused balsamic vinegar in there, and just some salt, pepper, and a little bit of lime juice. And here I just have some rice, some mutton, and a little bit of salsa that I made earlier today. So that's dinner.